I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Cause it's only you, nobody.
I have visitor. Look at that. I don't know kung nakikita niya ako. Waiting for the bread again. I'm lazy to go out. Bala ka dyan. Look at this, guys. I got friends over there. Let's get my poo-poo bread. Stay there. No. I'm scared. Hello. Oh, that's in front of you. Come on. Look at my friends. Ooh. That's so cool. I don't have fluids, nigga. Ooh. Hello. I don't have anything. I'm sorry about that. Ooh. And there's more over there. Look at those. There's a lots of them. And this guy. It smells good. Somewhere in there, and it's sunny here. Sunny
Yes, it's by default. Are you so
duh.
I will. Look.
What?
Watch your mitt. No.
You can't come to the cheese. No, you can't. Once you will let it go,
No.
They'll get one.
The only yeah.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, whatever.
No. Oh my God. Oh yeah. They got more. I read on Facebook, people are complaining. What's going on? It's traffic from the highway 25 to 24 going there. Said they call them the lip peepers. Peepers.
All those people are coming to look at this shit?
Yeah, so there's people like stop by, and then it's really traffic.
Just for this?
They call it leaf peepers, something like that. I was like, oh, I was gonna tell you we should drive. I was like, nah, forget that. They smell the menudo.
He's like, that was my friend.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that smells like my friend's foot.
Yeah. It's not like a kangaroo, right? Like they're gonna beat you up. The kangaroo. I saw it on too. That's so cool.
Seen deer beat things up. And I don't know.
Oh really?
Yeah, so
Oh.
I don't know what. It's for about 2 days.
I was desperate, man. I had already been.
He wants some beer also.
Right.
She want. I mean. Hey, don't come close to me. Oh. Oh no.
I do not want to be around that motherfucker.
Yeah, I don't like that antler.
No, no.
Jeez.
I saw a video where some stupid lady tried to go and save her little dog from a deer,
Oh.
and it didn't look like the deer did much hitting her, but he poked holes all through her with his antlers.
Oh.
Apparently she had like
Jeez.
80 holes or something on her. Oh, is that where they're coming from?
Yeah, they live there. That's their sanctuary. I was driving from here to Kansas City. What is that, Teller 1?
Mm-hmm.
And that left side.
Oh shit. How close
What
is
do you
he?
mean, really?
I don't know.
All the time? They got like years?
Don't come close to me, though.
It's like they all know where there's water.
Yeah.
He looks angry.
He looks angry.
It's weird how they know where to get water.
Yeah.
They know where to get food.
Yeah, anyways, if he's the one here, they're gonna go all the way to the creek.
Dude,
And we're up, or we're downwind.
couldn't he
Oh no, he's peeing on
Yeah,
it.
he's cheating, but still, why does he gotta do it right here? Couldn't he just drank right to the ground.
I felt it too. Yeah, you heard them like the yeah. Uh huh.
And then I could hear the footprints feel it, and then feel the breeze, man. Like they made a wind.
Uh huh.
That would have took James out.
This is kind of like a baby. Continuation of my pupus and the chuchus. The shingles. He's done halfway at the back now. He's doing this. In the front. And it's 2 p.m. I think he started late. See that? This is faster. It's already halfway through it and there's more in there. And look at that. I'm gonna clean this again. And Bebo's in the roof. And it looks like it's gonna rain. We checked the weather many times. It says it's not gonna rain today, but geez. That's a lot of dark clouds. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Where they came from. And look at the aspen tree. They're gone. I mean, some of it that is yellow, and now the leaves are gone. So, yeah, that's my popos and the. Look at that. Okay. So, update, guys. Here's almost done. Removing. I'm sorry. So, almost done removing the shingles. Can you see that? There. And then there's lots of trash in there again. over there. I need to remove that. Because tomorrow there's somebody who's gonna come to check our furnace. Because we have a gas leaking. See, that was fast. He started, I think, around 12 or 1, and now it's like 5 past 5. That was quick. Dang! Oh, and I got 4 bags of pine needles. The troopers in the choo-choo. Hello, friends. How are you? Look at them. Oh, this is my friend. This one. That's the mama bear. And those deer. Oh, the rabbit. They are so cool. They're eating something. See that? Ooh. There's a lot of them. Sorry, maingay ba? Charot. Look at that. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 of them. Hello, guys. Second day. Look at our dumpster. It's halfway full, but it wasn't because it's not arranged. There's like 2 mattresses in there, I think. So there's a lot of things I need to clean. I'm gonna clean this first. Oh, look at that. The mama deer and baby deer again is over there. So, and Bebo finished the roof, he removed the shingles, he cleaned the gutter. You know, he's gonna put the paper thing. And then tomorrow he's gonna put the shingles. So let's start. Ciao. Dang, careful. That's scary. How many you gonna use today? 2, 3? 1/4? Yeah. So, hello guys. Time is 4:09 and we're just starting working. Bebo is just starting working on the roof because he's been sleeping the whole day, half day. And it's so hot in there, that's the reason why. So now it's kind of cooler so he can work fast without the sun hitting him too much. And I just cleaned my thing over there. He helped me at first, and now I'm gonna try to put these pine needles in the trash bags because on Thursday we're gonna pick up our dumpster already, and we only have 4 weeks left. I think we're going back to Philippines on the end of October, so that's why we need to finish this. He needs to finish that no matter what. So let's start. That's it for today. Look at the colors of the trees. It's getting yellow and yellower and it's gone. Ciao. And the road is empty. What? Can you believe that? Yeah. That's a real cat, right?
First time I've seen a kid.
Okay. Hello guys. Update. Oh my gosh. He's almost finished on the roof. That's like 3/4 I think left. 3/4 of the roof he's done. Look at that. It's faster here compared to the other side. And he started today early morning, and the weather is good today because it is cooler than the last few weeks. So now he work faster than he used to be. So I don't know if you can see that. That's the roof. So that's almost done. In a few days he's done and we're good to go. And we only have 3 weeks or 4 weeks left before we go back home in the Philippines. So that's the update. And then this dumpster they were supposed to pick up today, but I don't know, they didn't show up yet. And I cleaned the pine needles here. So that's it. And now I'm waiting for the deer. We have water and food at the back, but they never showed up since yesterday. I don't know. And so that's it for today, guys. And see ya. Okay. And update, guys. He's almost done. Look. That's it. That's the remaining space that he needed to put shingles. And he's almost done. And he's doing it on his birthday. Jesus, see? He's almost done. So he might work on that tomorrow morning. And then in the afternoon, we're going out for dinner. So that's it, guys. And this is what I'm gonna do today. All this trash, no, not trash, firewoods, gonna put there on the side. That firewoods. That's a lot of firewoods. That costs $200. Because it's getting colder and colder and colder here. And I don't have friends coming around right now. There's no deer. I don't know where they are. We have water and food at the back. They were tampo.